So today I'm going to talk about how to use sleep to manifest whatever it is that you want. What I'm going to be teaching you is a combination of my own teachings in conjunction with the teachings of Neville Goddard. Goddard is an amazing Christian mystic. I'm a huge fan of his, and he primarily speaks about how to use the or how to get into the feeling state of the end result of what it is you want to manifest whatever it is that you'd like. So, let's get started. Before falling asleep, let's say you go and you lay in bed at night, here's what I want you to do to use either of the techniques that I'm going to teach you. So first, relax your entire body. You can go through muscle by muscle, relaxing your entire body until your body feels totally relaxed. Then I want you to count down from 20 to 1 or 30 to 1 in a relaxing, soothing voice, telling yourself you're becoming more relaxed with every number that you count. So you would count down such as this: 20, 19, 18, becoming more and more relaxed. Now, I might have been counting slightly faster than even I would count if I was working with somebody or by myself. The reason I'm counting faster is because I'm doing a recording and I want to make sure that this is engaging. But count at whatever speed feels right and best for you. What this will do is, as your body's relaxed and your mind is relaxed, the trap door to your subconscious is going to begin to open. Your brain is going to go from theta, that awake state of consciousness, to alpha, which is a state of meditation, a state of awakeness akin to deep meditation. And then from there, it's easy to program your subconscious for what it is you want. In fact, the last 15 minutes before you fall asleep and the first 15 minutes upon awakening, your brain isn't still yet in full beta. It's actually somewhat in alpha, and this technique allows you to go a little bit deeper so that you can really program into your subconscious what it is you want. So after you relax your body and you count down, I'll teach you Neville's version first. What he recommends doing is sleeping in the feeling tone, the end result of what it is you want. So imagine if you want a new home, you can see yourself sleeping in your new home. If you want a new partner, you can see yourself sleeping next to your new partner. You can see yourself taking off your wedding ring and placing it on the nightstand. Whatever the end result is for you, you can see it, and then you can see it and then feel it and then go to sleep in that feeling tone. And what that's going to do is it's going to program your subconscious to create this idea. Your subconscious doesn't know the difference between what's real and what's false. So it's going to take this idea that you just showed it and impressed upon it through feeling, and it's going to say, oh, this is my current reality. This is what I need to create now. This is what's taking place. And what it's going to do is it's going to spend the next 8 or 10 hours while you're asleep connecting you with the right people, places, situations, circumstances, and events to make what you just showed it a reality. So impress upon it what it is you want. Goddard used to say, never go to sleep in a negative state. And I'll say this again because it's so important. Never go to sleep in a negative state. There's very few nevers that I recommend, but this is one of them. Go do something. If you're in a bad mood, go relax or take a few deep breaths or count down from a higher number, such as 50 to 1, to relax yourself, and then visualize the end result of what it is you want and go to sleep in that. He said if you go to sleep in a negative state, what happens is you're giving your subconscious those images of negativity and that feeling of negativity, and it's going to produce failure for you. You want your subconscious to be a success-oriented mechanism. You want it to be on that success angle or success slant. So show it what it is you want. Feel that feeling tone of it and watch it go to work and create miracles in your life. He says that people think the 2/3 that they're awake is the most important time for creation. But in reality, he said it's the 1/3 that you're sleeping that'll dictate the quality of the 2/3 of your life that you're awake. So I cannot stress enough to you the importance of this idea. So only go to sleep in the feeling result, the end result of what it is you want. Now I want to give you some additional exercises that I think will really help you. And this has to do with programming yourself before you sleep. Let's say you want to remember your dreams. So if you want to remember your dreams, tell yourself, after you relax your body and you've relaxed your mind, say, I will understand and remember my dreams. Again, I will understand and remember my dreams. And be sure to have a notebook and pen nearby for when you wake up, as you'll have remembered your dreams, and be sure to write them down right away as your body produces chemicals so that you don't remember your dreams upon awakening. So write them down before checking your phone or before doing anything else so that you have those dreams locked in so that you remember what they are. If you have issues sleeping, for instance, I was having some issues sleeping, so I would say to myself the following: I will sleep peacefully throughout the night and will wake up tomorrow feeling energized and refreshed. My sleep patterns are improving every night. My dreams always feel good and are uplifting. After a few days of giving myself this positive suggestion before sleeping, my sleep habits normalize and now I sleep great. So try that out if you're having some issues with insomnia. Also, if you're just having bad dreams, tell yourself, I will have uplifting, positive dreams as I sleep. Tonight, I will wake up refreshed and energized in the morning. Whatever you'd like to see, give yourself that instruction. If there's a specific problem that you want solved, tell yourself, tonight I will receive the answer to this problem while I sleep. I will understand and remember my dreams. Again, tonight I will receive the answer to this problem while I sleep. I will understand and remember my dreams. So you tell yourself that upon sleeping, and then either you'll have a dream with the answer to your problem, or upon awakening, you'll have some type of message from somebody, either an email or a text or a call from somebody with the answer to that problem. Or some point, usually within 72 hours, you'll get the answer to your problem. If you don't, then do the process again and just impress this idea a little bit more on your subconscious. That's what doing this process again will do. And then you'll get the answer to your problem. So in that case, you would relax your body, relax your mind, think of the problem, and then give yourself that suggestion that tonight you'll receive the answer to this problem while you sleep. You'll understand and remember your dreams. And then boom, watch your subconscious do it. For instruction, if you want your subconscious to better you while you sleep, what I say is, subconscious mind, instruct me how to become a better, you could say a better person, a better man, woman, father, depending on what it is you want to be. Or tonight while I sleep, I'll be instructed on how to be a better person. Either of those work. When I had a Muay Thai fight coming up, I would say, instruct me on how to be a better Muay Thai fighter, a better martial artist, a better person as I sleep. And sure enough, I would get attracted to all these new resources that I hadn't been aware of before. For money or health, as I sleep tonight, I will become richer and healthier. Again, as I sleep tonight, I will become richer and healthier. Or, tonight as I sleep, my body will undergo tremendous healing and well-being, and I will wake up feeling strong and refreshed. You can do this for anything that you want. The main thing is you have this garden of your mind called your subconscious that for a lot of people, they have either nothing planted in it that they haven't consciously planted in, or they have all these weeds of negativity that they just received from their childhood of growing up. The reason I say that is because from the time you're born until about the age of 8 years old, your conscious mind isn't fully developed. It's almost as if you're under hypnosis. Your brain is actually at an alpha state. You're walking around in alpha all day long as opposed to beta. So you just have ideas going in nonstop. And most people have never planted in any counter suggestions to some of the negative ideas they received growing up. So use this time. You're going to be sleeping anyways. You might as well use this time to create the life that you want. It's so simple. It's so easy. And it'll create a treasure trove of good on your behalf. So again, either use Neville Goddard's process or mine via, either you do instructions or you feel the end result, or combine the two. Feel the feelings of the end result. Give yourself the instructions of what it is you want to see. Go to sleep and your life is going to transform. Your subconscious controls your beliefs, your habits, and your bodily functions. So as you start to impress these new ideas of health, of wellness, of getting richer every day, your belief system is going to change and improve, and you'll get better results. Your habits will improve as well because your subconscious knows how to make you richer and healthier and happier. And your bodily functions, you're going to become healthier every day. And your subconscious is infinitely intelligent, all powerful, and everywhere present. So it's going to create situations and circumstances in your external environment that are going to radically and transform your life for the better. So use this process, transform your life, and feel free to let me know how it goes.